Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nisrina Endah Kurniawati, NIM 083 from Dandelion Plus. Here, I will explanation about postpartum. Postpartum period. Puerperineum delay. Recovery when the mother has been allowed to stand and walk. 2. Puerperineum intermediate. Complete recovery of the genital which lasts 6 until 8 weeks. 3. Remote puerperineum. The time it takes to recovery and be fully healthy, especially if you experience complication during pregnancy or delivery. Postpartum stage. 1. Immediate puerperineum, up to 24 hours after giving birth. 2. Early puerperineum, more than 24 hours up to the first week. And 3. Late puerperineum, more than 1 week to finish. The purpose of postpartum care. 1. Maintaining the health of mother and baby. 2. Carry out comprehensive screening, detect problem, treat or refer when complications occur. 3. Provide health education about personal health care, nutrition, family planning, breastfeeding, use in babies and healthy baby care. And 4. Providing family planning service. Postpartum discomfort. 1. After birth pain, caused by continuous uterine contraction and relaxation. Increase on 1. Multipara. Decrease uterine muscle tone. 2. Primipara. Good muscle tone, strong contraction. And 3. Lactation. The sucking reflex stimulates the posterior pituitary to release oxytocin. 2. Excessive sweating caused by increased interstitial fluid during pregnancy. Handling. 1. Keep skin clean and dry. 2. To prevent dehydration, drink 1 glass of water every hours. 3. Mother milk dump caused by a buildup of milk and increased blood vessel. 4. Perineum pain derive from laceration or episiotomy and suture. 5. Constipation due to the weakness of the abdominal wall, especially in multipara who don't do puerperal exercise and discomfort caused by 3rd and 4th degree perineal suture. And hemorrhoid, if hemorrhoid have existed since pregnancy, it will be enlarged due to the childbirth. Postpartum need. 1. Nutrition. Calories breastfeeding mother in the first 6 months need calories 700 calories, then 500 calories the following month. A balanced diet that must be consumed is adequate and regular portion, not too salty, spicy, or fatty. Does not contain alcohol, nicotine, and preservative or dyes. 2. Need ambulation. useful for all body system, especially the function of the intestines, bladder, circulation, and lung. Help prevent thrombosis of the leg vessel and help the mother progress from being sick to being healthy. Fluid need. Function of fluid. Solvent of nutrient in the body metabolic process. Intake of tablet plus blood and iron is given for 40 days postpartum. For need for elimination, urine with 8 hours of delivery and defecation will be normal after a day unless the mother is afraid of a wound in the perineum. Personal hygiene help reduce the source of infection and increase the feeling of comfort in the mother. Sexual need, if with normal delivery without tearing, you can have sexual relation again 3 to 4 weeks after the birth process. Need rest and sleep. It takes about 8 hours at night and 1 hour during the day. Breast care need. Use a brand that supports the breast, and if the nipple is cracked, apply breast milk around the areola. Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is done immediately after giving birth to the baby. Breast milk is given anytime without a schedule until the age of 6 months. Breast milk composition. 1. Colostrum. Excretion day 1 to 3. Colostrum function to clear meconium from the newborn intestines, prepare the baby digestive tract for food to come. Then, it contains more carbohydrate, protein, mineral, antibody that provide protection for baby up to the age of 6 months compared to mature breast milk. 2. Transitional milk. Excretion day 4 to 10. It is a transitional milk from colostrum to mature breast milk. And mature milk excretion on day 10 and soon. Mature milk does not clot when heated. Then there are antimicrobial factors, antibodies, protein, and hormone. How to provide breast milk? 1. Get enough rest, avoid stress, don't smoke, and avoid people who smoke. 2. Pay attention. When the baby position is breastfeeding. 3. Eat more nutrition food. And 4. Breastfeeding your baby as often as possible. If the baby refuses to breastfeeding, use assistive device such as a breast pump. How to store breast milk? 6 to 8 hours in the open air, 24 hours in the fridge, and 6 months in the frozen. Breast milk has been refrigerated when going to use salt, not be boiled, because the quality will decrease. Breast milk is enough to stand for a while at room temperature. Postpartum gymnastic carried off from the first day of giving birth every day until the 10th day. The benefit of this postpartum exercise: 1. Help improve blood circulation, improve posture, and back after giving birth. Improve muscle tone, pelvic and abdominal muscle strength, strength pelvic muscle, and help mother to be relaxed and fresh after giving birth. Contraindication: anemia, bleeding, heart and lung disease, spine and pelvic pain. Danger sign of postpartum: 1. Excessive bleeding postpartum. Postpartum hemorrhage more than 500 milliliter in vaginal delivery or more than 1,000 milliliter at caesar section. 2. High fever. Fever over 38 degrees Celsius can be a sign of infection. And 3. Hook headache. 4. Unbearable pain on the calf. Begin with the formation of a thrombus in the artery or find if there is inflammation in the thrombus. It is known as thrombophlebitis. The next is difficulty breathing and chest pain and feeling sad continuous. Change in hormone level and the emergence of responsibility after giving birth can make mother experience the baby blues. That's my presentation. Thank you.